Inspection dimensions for sheet metal fabrication usually depends on project and requirement. There are some of the sheet metal working dimensions that need to be inspected. In the length and width, check the overall dimensions of the part to ensure that it meets the design requirements. And the thickness, measure the thickness of the sheet metal part to ensure that it corresponds to the requirements specific in the specification. About the bending radius for covered parts, ensure the bending radius meets the requirements to avoid cracks or shape problems. In the hole diameter and the location, check the holes in the sheet metal are correct and the diameter is as specified. In the surface quality, check that the surface is flat and free of scratch, dents, or other defects. Angle and shapes. Ensure that grades and conditions are consistent with design requirements, especially for parts that require precise angles.